When this folk rhyme, passed down for generations, rings through the streets, Chinese people know that Xiaonian has arrived. As the liveliest prelude to the Spring Festival, this festival, full of everyday warmth, gently signals the start of reunion. In northern China, Xiaonian falls on the 23rd day of the 12th month of the Chinese calendar, while in the south, it is usually on the 24th. This subtle difference carries an ancient cultural code. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, the tradition of official celebration of Xiaonian on the 23rd, commoners on the 24th, took shape. Officials and the public worshipped the Zhaoshan on different days. Over time, this formed the north-south variation of Xiaonian. Xiaonian, also called the Festival of Thanking the Kitchen God, or Festival of the Kitchen God, centers on people's hope for a better life. Legend says, the kitchen god, who oversees food, reports to heaven on this day each year, sharing what the family has done over the past year. In the north, people offer sugar treats, wishing the god a sweet tongue and kind words. In the south, people offer rice cakes and tangyuan, hoping for steady progress and family reunion. This simple wish reflects people's genuine love for life. Sweeping the dust is a solemn Xiaonian ritual observed across all regions. On this day, people clean thoroughly, from cobwebs in the corners to dust on the windowsills. Traditionally, after sweeping, they replace the old kitchen god statue and paste fresh red paper on the doorframe. The old year's dust is swept away, and new hopes climb up the windows. Taste and warmth linger long on the tongue and in the heart. In the north, Xiaonian dumplings arrive steaming at the family reunion table. Biting through the thin skin, savory broth and chive aroma burst on the tongue. In the south, rice cakes and glutinous balls are sweet and soft, bringing thoughts of happiness and reunion. Around Xiaonian, people start shopping for the new year under the winter sun. Queues form at old shops, bringing home the flavor of memory. Buying gifts and new clothes, heavy with meaning, all reflect the anticipation of Spring Festival. In modern times, Xiaonian's sense of ritual has not faded. Young people use vacuum cleaners instead of bamboo brooms, yet still video call their parents after cleaning. Old brand matang now come in elegant gift boxes, but the sticky sweetness remains. When the winter wind sweeps the pedestrian streets, zodiac decorations in shop windows complement traditional New Year paintings. Handmade sugar treats appear at shop entrances. Tradition and modernity find a subtle harmony in this festival. From the time and space split between official and household kitchens to the differing festival foods of North and South, Xiaonian acts like a prism, reflecting the diversity and inclusiveness of Chinese culture. Putting up new couplets on the stove and pasting delicate paper cuttings on windows completes a cultural dialogue spanning 1,000 years. After Xiaonian, the taste of the new year deepens like fermented rice wine. Are you ready to welcome this ritual-filled Chinese New Year? I'm taking my newly bought matang and tangyuan home.